Hello everyone, we were doing something in the Edison, if I'm correct.
Yeah, we were using the Edison and
We figured out a new plugin. It was really interesting. It made like if I'm correct, a bass, or is it brass?
well, BASS is bass.
Bass. You made it sound like a cat in my perspective.
So we started working with under popruta.org. There's a lot of incredible music there, and one of the bands there is Normat. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but it looks like Normat. Bass Interaction is the song that we're currently working with. We just got done working with Dub Echo, which is also an incredible song. So anyway, let's show you what we did by accident. So
by accident.
So we were just going through and clipping the first part right here. So let's go back to our mixer.
Please like and subscribe.
Oh yes, please, thank you. Yes, please like and subscribe. So if you go here under the effects that you can add, we left clicked, I hit select. There's something on the version we have called the Destructor. So let's
Destructor master.
Destructor. So
whoa, that seems like we can learn so many stuff.
So if you play, ooh, it's not going in there, is it? Interesting. Oh no. You know what we're not doing? Hold on. Yes, what's going on, Katya?
Can you move that side? The one mixer, you see this got selected, that's how you do it. You have to select.
Okay. Well, what's interesting is it's not doing the effects. We're gonna have to stop
Where do we pause it? Make a sound.
And then we go here.
Distructor. I remember you.
Oh, here we go. So what do we do differently? We loaded the clip, right? So that we could work with it, and then that brought it up in the Destructor. So let's do this again. Let's look at, so we double clicked this with a left click, double left click, that brought up that. I brought up the mixer. I open the Destructor, and now when I play, all the levels are going through the Destructor. Okay, so that must be the way you do it. So we haven't learned what all of these do, but you can really completely change.
Which one did you make it sound like a cat? I think there was also a speed display button.
Yes, well what we also did is right here, the mull was up on this. The settings were all different here. See, we had full pitch. We had all of these checked. So now it's different, isn't it? So let's go back to the Destructor. There we go. See, you start really...
That's where I thought it was a cat. I'm like, what is it? He's like, can I show you something? And then I was like, that's, and he was playing it, and I was like, that sounds like a cat!
So here, listen to this. Completely different from the original sound, right?
It kind of sounds like you're busy.
And we're going to have to learn what all of these do. I think we're going to have to find him in the mix about this, right?
Does he even have one?
I'm sure he does.
He doesn't really have
So asymmetry seems to cut it off if you do it too much. Anyway, that's pretty cool, huh? So you can take a sound and make it sound completely different. It's too much.
Too much.
Okay. I think we'll make this a short one, right? Because we need to learn about it. But we started playing around with plugins because we're kind of getting to the limit of what we can do.
Like we already know everything, that like all the basics.
Yeah, well, we don't know all the basics, but we know the pitches and the, we know these basic ones here. And so to do more with the sound, we're gonna have to start using the plugins, right?
Yes.
So I'm sure there's a lot of more basic things that we could learn how to do that we don't understand how to do in this basic controller right here. What do they call it? Pre-computed effects.
That makes no sense. I don't even know what that means.
Oh, look, interesting. Well, we already found some extra stuff. See, you click that button and that changes the display.
Right to the left of pre-computed effects, if I'm getting
Yeah,
that
interesting. So we'll have to figure out maybe what that does too.
Now try saying pre-computed 3 times very, very, very fast.
It's not gonna happen. Okay.
Pre-computed.
Okay, are we pretty much?
Yeah, we just wanted to show us about our new
We
toy.
learned something new here, which is pretty cool. So I think that'll wrap up the video there. Yeah. Okay. You want to say goodnight?
Good night.
Good night, everyone.